Hi everyone, welcome to the Core IT Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia. So today we would like to present to you all about the new innovations that we got. So this is the detail. Ladies and gentlemen, currently in our environment the crime of theft of things or the items that we have as always happens in the community. It makes every citizen breathless because the theft can occur at any time, both during the day and at night it could be happen, right? Therefore, I am here to deliver a new innovation in the form of a tool that functions as security system in delivering every single thing or item in order to avoid theft in our environment. And we designed this tool portable using a vibration sensor as a vibration detector which will send a sensor signal to the microcontroller and we will forward it to the receiver via a wireless network. Then the buzzer sounds will play as an indicator something is happening with the item. If the item has been stolen, we can track and getting to know the positions of the item that was stolen because this tool has been equipped with a GPS sensor as a sensor that can find out the latitude and longitude positions of the item, which later the GPS sensor data will be signed on the website for the applications that has been made so that the owner can to know the whereabouts of these items. So, ladies and gentlemen, in the term of tool architecture, we will explain the process along with the mechanism and also the rule of the tool in each part of the circuit. The main of these things that we use two microcontrollers that are connected to each other by the wireless networks. I will explain the role of the receiver tool first. One part of the sending device of the component used are GPS, or it used to track where the device is by using the latitude and the longitude parameters that are connected to the satellite directly. So when the tool is taken away, the user only needs to access the latitude and the longitude parameters on the website. Well, ladies and gentlemen, at the next is about software. Here, we use Arduino IDE software. It used to program the system on the tool. Second, we use Visual Studio Code. It used to program website page. Well, ladies and gentlemen, so how it works? Yeah, these tools are divided into two parts, namely a shock detector or sending tool. Yeah, this is a shock detector or sending tool. And the second is receiver as a tool to turn on buzzer. A big one is a receiver as a tool to turn on a buzzer. These two tools are connected to each other on a wireless network. How sending tools or a shock detection device input in other place and a receiver as tools to turn on a buzzer is placed in room where the sounds can be reached by the owner of the item. After placing the two tools in the predetermined place, the user can turn on these two tools by pressing on the switch button and the available of the tools. So let me check it. Yeah, it works. So if there is theft of the item, that the vibration sensor will detect a shock or a movement of the items. The device inside of the item will assign a signal to the receiver tools to turn on a buzzer as an indicator that something is happened on the item. So it will be minimized for the items to be stolen, right? Yeah, this tool has been equipped with a GPS sensor as a sensor that can find out the latitude and longitude positions of the item, which later the GPS sensor data will be signed on the website page or the application that has been made so that the owner can find out the whereabouts of the items. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the last thing, market job opportunities. There are 3 points of market job opportunities. The first, from the some shortcoming of SCD security tools in the competitors, we can see quite fertile market opportunity. where the price of these universal security tools is quite affordable and can attract buyers. Second, GPS abandoned. An standing device so that users can accurately identify the perpetrator. The last thing, a vibration sensor, so that they can detect shocks and fuelable items that the buzzer will automatically turn on and emitting a sound as indicator that something is happening to the item. So ladies and gentlemen, that's all about the explanations of the new innovation that we got. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.